Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bitcoin wallet to send money. First, ensure your wallet is funded and you have the recipient's correct address. Sending Bitcoin is a straightforward process once you understand the key steps involved. We'll cover everything from preparing your transaction to confirming its successful delivery. It's important to pay close attention to details to ensure your funds reach the intended destination safely and efficiently. Before initiating a transfer, you'll need the recipient's unique Bitcoin address. This address is like an account number, typically a long string of letters and numbers. Next, determine the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember that network fees, which can vary, are usually added to your transaction. These fees incentivize miners to process your transfer quickly, ensuring it gets confirmed on the blockchain. To send Bitcoin, open your chosen wallet and locate the Send or Withdraw option. Carefully paste the recipient's Bitcoin address into the designated field. Double-check every character of the address to prevent errors. Then, input the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. Your wallet will typically display the total amount, including any network fees, before you confirm the transaction. Review all details thoroughly before proceeding. After entering the details, your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. This is your last chance to verify the address and amount. Once confirmed, the transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. It will then await confirmation by miners, which can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and private keys to protect your funds from unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.